Jai Hind, gentlemen. So we have a very basic question of the average. So we are going to solve this question with a good approach. So let's solve this question. So this is question of the average. So the basic formula for the average that needed here is the average which is equal to summation of the number of quantities and the upon the number of quantities. It is the summation of the values of the quantities and it is upon the number of the quantities. This is the basic formula of average and this is used widely and it is applicable to any average formula. So now let us discuss about this question. Okay, first we read the question. If there are 30 students, average is 30 and a new student age 40 years joins them, find the new average of the age. So this is a given question. So let us write the data. So it will be easy for to understand. So there are 30 students and whose average is 30. Okay. And a new student aged 40 years joins them. Okay. One student is adding. So it will become 31 and his age is 40. Okay. That means the data has been given to us. So we have to solve this question. A very simple basic question. If you apply a clear way, then we will have solve this question. But if you are not able to solve the question, then a question comes in our mind to how to solve this question. How to solve this question. So let hit on the given data. So we know that average is equal to what? Average. We know the average formula that average equal to summation of the value of the n quantities upon number of quantities. So try to link. So that question house answer is here. So try to link what is given, what we have and what we can use. Okay. So what we have that the average we know 30. Okay. There are we know n quantities. From that we will get we know the average here. Okay. So we know the number of n quantities here. So what we'll get? We will get summation of the n. So we can find n from that. Okay. So we will use that formula. So let us calculate the summation of the n. So it will become n into average. It will become n into average equals to summation of n. This is the formula. Is summation of is called a total sum is total sum. It is also called as total sum. So it will become 30 into 30, that is 900 is the total summation. Okay. So we have to calculate the new average here. So for that what data we know that we need the total summation upon number of the total quantities. Number of quantities we know that there are 31 because the one student is adding. Already there are 30 students, so one adding it will become 31. Okay, we will know the 31. Okay, n is 31. N is 31. But what about the summation of plus summation of the values of the n quantities? So it will be already we have 900. We are adding 40, so it will become 940. So 940. So this is the average. If you calculate that, that value become that 30 point something something something. So this is the average. So what I applied and how I solved this question. So let us that is the most important part in this. So let us say that I read the question first. That if there are 30 students whose average is 30 years and a new student age 40 years joins them, find the new average of the group. So there are already how many students? 30 students. Okay, there are 30 students. 30 students whose average, whose total summation become average is 30, then summation become 900. And in the 900, one student is age is adding, that is becoming 940. And the number of persons are one is adding, so it will become 31. That is become the 940 by 31. That is the average. So this can be reduced in these types and we can increase the speed in this. We can. This is a very basic question, and we can do it in the by only thought process also. A very basic question and a very good concept building question. Thanks and happy learning.